As an educationist, I personally feel that we are living in one of the most exciting times of our lives. The traditional teacher has evolved to a mentor, a facilitator, and by the same token, the traditional student slash pupil slash disciple has now moved to actually becoming a co-learner in the classroom scenario with his teacher or mentor or facilitator. Now, the dynamics of this changed relationship between the mentor and the mentee has got a whole lot of new connotations which education is currently exploring. There are, of course, very many questions also that need to be solved along the way, because with the change in the teacher-pupil relationship, with the change in the academic delivery systems, there has also been a huge amount of change in the social environment, both of the teacher and the taught. And most importantly, upon passing out of the learning situations or upon passing out of the learning institutions, the aim of education, actually all education has to eventually morph into employability skills. So now the question that confronts us, that in the 21st century, when the face of profession has changed so much, when the demands of the industrial scenario, when the demands of the industry at large have changed so much, what is the essential skill set that a student has to be imparted with, whether it is in the school level, whether it is at the college, university level? The more important question, of course, always remains that how does the new age learner learn? We have to first understand that, and then customize the delivery strategies to facilitate a better understanding and comprehension and learning. Once that is done, however, there is another important question as to how are we assessing it. Well, there have been countless theories, and pedagogy has been extensively talking about assessment patterns, about evaluation systems. What we really need to understand that it's a very level playing field now. We can talk about learning gaps, we can talk about disparities in learning, but what we have to understand that the academic delivery systems always and always have to be totally hand in glove with the assessment systems. It is not enough to teach in a certain manner if you haven't evolved an assessment pattern which is unique to extract the essence of that learning. This 2-day session that we are all about to embark upon with Professor Grieser aims at doing just that. It aims at identifying how do core learners learn. It aims at understanding the need for new innovative assessment systems. Above all, it aims at facilitating a better understanding of the role of the mentor in a classroom, of the comprehension and ability to understand of the mentee in the classroom. How do we synthesize both these two essential units of the teaching learning system, and how do we move to a wonderful skill set which gives the world professionals that will be an asset to the 21st century and all its demands. And I hope as we embark on this journey, everyone will come out of it extremely enriched and fulfilled, and as is the idea, perhaps with a set of new questions to challenge the mind of both the pupils and the teachers to make the journey of education itself a reward in all its enterprise.